Muturebe shahiz twaturi ya jam session ejere episode yo kubanza bit kandi hono mbanta bateningire aruho mwamidane MVP ya no manyabinji has been the industry atena ko ibintu bitwiyaza gamba mwarebe cyabaho so mukuru dan twakwakira Ankole Media
Nechaman jam session ria kabi nyona sima because I'm here on invitation I'm not here as a revealer. I was invited by CJ to come because you know busy. I have my personal engagements, but I was invited to come here, so now I invite.
So kurujiranka jam session ko kuwajireba so far this is the first episode. Jam session no jireba how is it neza kutuyambachi
jam session ebonire though na advising they should do it monthly. Weekly it will phase out so fast. So but you call it monthly, then we hype it more. Because I have a huge following on my social handles, so we shall push it. But they reserve the right to take a weekly. But me as a professional, as an expert in this game, I recommend it to do it monthly. Then Kampara, Kabare, Chisoro, they come through, they plan and come through. But weekly, it will lose out so fast.
So Dani Dareba obuwanu gamba obuwanu explaining your idea yawe twareba mixed reactions on audience echo no chigamba
people reserve the right to their opinions. I'm not here to impress everyone, however I'm here to disseminate my opinion on some things because I talk based on facts. I don't speak because of emotions because I'm identifying an issue of Mbaramed versus jam session if you look at the revealers at Rooftop you really feel the artists are passionate about their thing. But when you go to Mbaramed, it's more business oriented because raising my question, me I used to attend Mbaramed, but later I take a meeting and I need this promoting my songs to Western Uganda.
How? Can you talk meeting?
How? When you do a thing for over 6 months, you go back on the drawing board and say, okay, in the last 6 months, who have I developed? Okay, if I've done the event for 6 months, which artists have I identified to promote in Jirahan? Because the DJs who are pushing that event have never said or have never used the song that they've discovered from Baramed, play it in other clubs.
So what kind of claiming about building the talents in Baramed because it's happening every Monday?
No, one measure or one indicator that you have made a talent from Baramed. Go to another bar and you play an artist and say you got the artist from Baramed. That can be a measure. You don't assume measurement from where you're playing. You get one or whatever or in a talent. If I've gotten a talent from Rooftop, I need to play it at Signature. I need to play it at Soul. I need to play it at Shooters. You get so, I don't need to zero down to Rooftop.
So but to Kujira kuwagamba wagira ngo it's Mbaramed versus jam session.
I didn't want to versus. I said if you're to compare, this jam session is more of an artist building a talent and more of Western Uganda because unlike Mbaramed, which is more of positioned as a business.
So Dan tukumanya ko umuntu opinionated kandi omuntu okushanga ngo ideas ezokuboine nizabani zireta controversial reactions zombantu iwe cyo kintu noza kuchandora ingota because ati washanga watanga gamba audience rimwe abantu babiri some people are against you at the same time some people are supporting cyo noza kuchandora
like I said everyone reserves the right to have their thinking. My things what I say give them time. Give them time. You get it? I'm not, like I told you, I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm here to share my opinion. You either buy it, you don't buy it. It's up to you. But I've shared my opinion. You get it? I've said jam session is much better than Baramed.
So to expecting a Dan Kubano appearing every other day out Kujangu. Every time I happening. Are you in full support of jam session?
I'm here because I've been invited. Watch it. So next time in a due course, I'll look at how the night is performed. Then I'll be coming through with my colleagues to get it. Right now, I was here to honor an invite and to give my opinion about some things. Whatever. So let me tell you, I have a following on Facebook. If I decided to go against something, let me tell you, it will lose followers.
So tokwenda kudeka meaning.
I don't want to go there. But Mbara Med need to polish. You worry DJ Mbara Med. You want to pushing on my songs. The commercial songs are the Kubo Asante Ba. The commercial songs are pushing up from Mbara Med. About able Kuba na terwa Sante Ba. So I've ever read na terwa signature. Na terwa shooters. Na terwa so.
Sade ke komwe songo zo mu venue
mu kandi o DJ koraze kabare okanga kutereche songoro kugira ngo nochetinira. That's how you develop talents, you get it. Me when I'm here at a jam session I'm scouting.
What is exporting a talent?
Kind of thing people should know that. Tindi munako. People should know me industry I'm just here to help guys. You get it. I have a company that pays me money.
Talking about money. Talking about money. Of course, Ankole Media is for clearing the air. Turning a gossip into news. Ininga shit for now. What is true? These days nobody are VIP.
This is my third car.
Your third car?
Your third car. I had a Chukumi when I was starting working. Then I went into a Subaru Impreza. Right now we have a Subaru Forester. But why? Right now, I'm remaining in Ninji that needs me to have a car. You get it, eh? And one thing you need to know my influence. I've never posted that I have a car.
Why?
But people are talking about it.
Why have you never tested?
Post when I know people can talk about it.
So it's just Kandi making a news.
That means you have a brand.
So congratulations.
You want to mango in a brand. You want to mango in a brand. Keep quiet. People will talk about you. So, 3 weeks.
Already to
but I've not posted about it.
So no take ngwecho chibire just kumanga brand yawe kuzirene na you pushing even before you push it.
No, to me it's no more. But other people, if they see it as it's okay. But the aim is if you have a name, people will talk about you. If you don't have a name, they won't talk about you. But in life, at a certain point, you need to get some things. Me, I'm one guy who's actually nobody motoka. I have a driver. Sometimes I'm in it. There's a driver who's driving it. Nani mwenda pick me here. I do some things. Period.
So koko mwachura Dani Nagira ngu. Ngu takubesha engereza era music tujya ngwakira umuko munaku.
People should not think that I'm looking for promotion to make money from Western Uganda. No.
I'm looking more at building talent.
I'm looking at supporting talents.
You need to work on supporting a talent. Which is that one talent? So and so. If it wasn't for my sake, they wouldn't have been on the scene. I want to know.
I started with General John, Rage
of recent.
First wait. We are recording, right?
We are.
We are going to put, you put things on media. You get it. Me, I'm talking facts. I'm not talking on emotions. Whatever. I started with General John. General John brought Rage. Then Rage Patra came. Ben Patra came. Then T-Power came. Best Emile came. Omega came. You get it, eh? And so many artists. The Jojo Banners. Kata Vibes and La Wine. Currently, I'm pushing Kata Vibes and La Wine. Those are the because annually I have talents. So one earning amba John, earning amba Rage. So this year it's Kata Vibes and La Wine. You get it? Eh? I'm equally giving them Bamaten Rab. They're all my influence. But when you become a nonsense to me, I drop you. I get other people. You get it? I don't want. Like I told you. If you don't see value in pushing you, and if you can get alternatives, you go. I go with other people. You get it.
So nyewe na focusing ngacho changu talent zo building njeri nindeba one time umuntu akakubuza Facebook aja tkonka dan no fachana Rage. No. And wagamba is one of the people you have brought on the scene.
No. They are fans.
But whatever is smoke and hard humor.
Let me tell you, the things like this, they are fans. Me, I talk to Reggie, I talk to John, I talk to Penny Patra, I talk to Omega like how I'm talking
personally to me any issues.
No, I don't need to omutunazaja ngudana yesoma kuja ngunagamba nabo no. You get it? I talk to them the way I talk to you. They have much respect for me, I have respect for them. We know our boundaries. But as a fan, he reserves the right kugamba kuko kwenda. Watch reba. So fan we agrukaga jangu nogamba chikuba Ray G, it's okay, that's a fan. But me, when I meet Ray G, when I meet Omega, when I meet Penny Patra, when I meet Kata Vibes and La Wine, we talk like we're talking as colleagues because we share a lot of history together, you get it, eh? Me, my page there, I've never advertised when you end followers. You either like me or you unfollow. You get it? That's my policy, you get it, eh? That's my policy, you get it, eh? But the core is how best can we promote music from Western Uganda, whatever. Where there's a mistake, identify it, correct it, whatever. Right now, CJ, we need to, where I work, we need to support this night. You get it? We need to support this night. How can we support this night? We need to understand the partnerships they have with other media platforms. Then we see how best can my workplace come to support the night. Because that's the best way we can also incorporate interviews, entertainment news, etc. A more exclusive approach. So those are they're impressed by something. I don't want to go there. There are people.
Those are what?
No, let me tell you, I know the game. Watch it. There are haters who pay people to make noise. You get it? So we don't need to go there. But the core is the message I'm sending to people is that me, I don't need them, they need me. So they choose. They need to choose. Watch it. Me, I don't need them, they need me. So it's there right now.
Dani twakubwire ntwenda ngu buri kimwe tukimarra. Obabe naza kuija comedy store okarorizinga post Nagira ngu. You were standing on a negative side.
A platform on comedy store. So usually big brands like Alex Manje, they avoid issues like kumuteka poster akamara ka claiming a sente. Yet ya birata takozrechi. Yeah, then I think that also goes back to Hero. Now Hero also artists baka complaining on danta laba considering
yeah, they complained.
Hero was hosted by a promoter. Usually Radio Western TV West and Vision Group, they sell Hero to a promoter. Say promoter na ekora selection ya artists. However, now reserving a small budget for artists from the region. So on the small budget, you identify a few artists who are performing. However, the artists who came up in the platform, who wanted the platform, who didn't want money, but is about Jackie Boemi, by MK Crazy, by Dog City, by Priva. It is many artists came and performed for free because they wanted a big stage and a platform. So binge bakarabira nomu rikabaka saimo. The chairperson of Western Uganda music ba performing at Shai. So I'm saying propaganda yo kugira ngo abeshongo ba Western Uganda bakabima stage, that's a lie. People were given a platform depending on the time they came and who they talked to.
So ogoya abari Dani and kango kuyatugambira wa ideas yangu